supermarket near our house outside of Assisi, Carrefour. Fabulous display of meats here, the butcher area. And here is the display of all the foods pre-cooked for those who don't wish to cook at home. We have one of the helpers in the kitchen grating cheese, getting ready for another preparation. Well, let's see some of the goodness. All these foods can be taken home, warmed up at home for a wonderful lunch or dinner. Mixed greens, spinach, perhaps beet greens, could be some chicory, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, peas, beans, carrots, roasted potatoes, roasted in the oven with rosemary. I can see some bits of rosemary. Wonderful meatballs of veal, pork roast done in the oven, tidbits there of carrots, celery, lemon juice. Then we have soupli, two kinds of soupli, these rice balls. These in the back, I believe, are with peas in them. Up in the front, saffron. These are the Sicilian treats called arancini in Catania, arancine in Palermo. Inside will be rice, peas, ground beef. Here we have a chicken dish done with, looks like parsley, lemon juice. This is rabbit. In the background, potato croquettes, fennel baked in the oven in a white sauce, a bechamel. Chicken over here. And here we have fagioli con cotche, which would be beans cooked with a bit of pork meat. We have some more treats here, which still haven't been put out. Wonderful display of foods for those not wishing to cook their lunch. Those wishing to cook their lunch and prepare their own foods may choose the beautiful selections of meat here. Sausages. These are zucchini stuffed with beef. Here we have breaded pieces of chicken, beef, breaded cutlets. Goodness on the spit to put in the oven. This is with breadcrumbs. This is one of our favorites. These are rolls of pork with crushed pistachio nuts.
Ci frega le ricette, Anna, le porta tutte in America.
This guy is telling me, buongiorno Francesco.
Buongiorno, buongiorno.
He's telling me don't steal our recipes. Now that's a butcher. Guarda che mani. Quello è un macellaio vero.
Sì,
a
sì.
True butcher. There aren't many
Non
left.
è finto.
He said, I'm not a fake butcher, I'm a real one. There aren't many left.
È uno scultore, vedi?
He's a sculptor. Buongiorno. Con Assisano. È un scultore, infatti.
Quante Clara?
Ah, and we are lucky enough to get
Otto,
scraps
sei.
from the butcher
Belle.
for our dogs whenever we buy meat.
Sono come
Look
i
at all the
fiori,
meat
sono
back
come i
there that he
fiori.
still has to work on.
Questo faceva beh.
Ah, questo era.
Questo faceva beh.
Ah, this was by. Che era, pecora?
Agnello.
Oh, agnello.
È il figlio della
Not a sheep, but it was a lamb.
Beh.
He said, the baby of the sheep. Look at those ribs, mamma mia. Lamb ribs.
Guarda che
Delicious.
ciccia.
He said, look at the chicha. Chicha is Umbrian dialect for meat. So wonderful selections of meat for those doing their own cooking and non-vegetarians. Look at the sausages there as well. And here come all the shoppers. Carrefour, a grocery store. Outside the walls of Assisi. Buon appetito!